I'm excited about the new Infinite Campus because it streamlines the whole process for a teacher. Instead of going to 3 different places, everything is on one.
We're so excited about Infinite Campus. One feature that we really like is the seating chart, where we can click and drag our students and take attendance really quickly.
Yeah, we're really excited at the middle school for Infinite Campus next year. I think it's going to make our work as teachers a lot easier. There's a bunch of logistical improvements, but the biggest thing is really just being able to have easier access to data.
Ellington is transitioning out of a legacy system to Infinite Campus. Infinite Campus is a very powerful data vehicle that helps track all of our student data. It touches on everything in the entire school district. We've been referring to it as the octopus in the district.
In general, Infinite Campus, this project is kind of touching everybody in the district. So, from teachers to nurses to special ed. We're with the admin assistants right now. The admin assistants are really the hub of the school, right? So everything drives through the main office. So it's a really important group on this project because they're like that central core piece. They're like the glue of the school. So having them part of this project and part of this, this training is really important because a lot of that work we're doing is really going to flow through that main office. So there's going to be much more information in this than we've ever had for parents, from grading to intervention data to all this data that we're going to be rolling into this system. So for parents, what is available to them is going to be so much more. And then the ease of people having access to that. Secretarial staff, for example, just the way they can access it, 1 click, 2 clicks, they have access to that data real time, real efficient. That's a lot of the power of what we're doing here.
In our district improvement plan, our focus area of efficient operations, shifting into the Infinite Campus is our #1 priority, and to make sure we're working with all stakeholders across the district, secretaries, teachers, administrators, special education, everyone in the district this touches, and we're making sure that we have a very intentional, methodical process to roll this out, have it be a success.